Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your images from this pixelated view. So, the reason why this image is in a pixelated preview is because you've accidentally pressed that so that your design or anything will be pixelated because you did select the pixelated preview. To toggle that off, just go to view and then go to pixel preview and just toggle that off, or press alt control V. Oh my god, hello. Well, it's supposed to work that way. Oh, it's control Y. Apparently I can't read. Well, the shortcut doesn't work for me for some reasons, but that is the pixel preview shortcut supposedly. I'm not sure why it doesn't work for me. Oh, there we go. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.